Good morning, wait, it's not morning anymore. Good afternoon, and welcome back to another vlog. I haven't filmed this morning because I had a seminar and a lecture, and then I went and did Megan's psychology study, so I'm going to leave that footage here now. $17.99.
Sign and name that, please. Please. My name is Megan, and I'd like to invite you to take part in a research study looking at hand use. Blah 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 blah. There's two parts, 2 manual tasks and a questionnaire. We start with the questionnaire. Okay. Takes about 10 minutes. You don't have to take part if you don't wish to.
I'm starting to have second thoughts.
The study has been approved by SOPRAC, the School of Psychology Research Ethics Committee, and data is always anonymous. Just covering my own back then. In this modern day and age.
Pick a number between 1 and 7.
It's 7.
There we go.
Pick a number between 1 and 6.
It's 6.
6.
What? Wait, what? Did you say that?
Yeah, he's calling emergency services.
Okay,
and then the last. Okay, that's you all done. Thank you. Can you get a little debrief slip out for my participant, please?
Here's a debrief slip.
Thank you for my debrief slip.
But now I'm round Carrie's. She's just finished filming. I'm just using her camera because I forgot mine at home. And we're off to go get some ingredients and have a baking day. Woo! You'll see what we're baking when we get back to mine. But yeah, we're just going to Tesco to get the ingredients. Can you filming?
Yeah.
So I'm just opening some mail that I came back to, and it's really, really tight. Me and Carrie's just been snacking on everything. Oops. But I've got a package from Adex London. They wanted me to share this on my YouTube. Oh wow!
Are you showing it now or are you showing it differently?
No, I'll show it now. So I went for like a classic black strap because I actually don't have a black watch.
What's the little watch thing?
I don't have a black watch at all. Like I just have like different colour. Like I've got like dark brown and like white and like pink and stuff and nude, but I didn't have like a classic black watch, so I picked this one. And they always send like an extra strap as well, so I sent like a brown one, which I think is nice because it's like it's like a light one as well. Because my other
is it gold?
Yeah, gold and light brown. And then the other like strap I have with another watch that I've got from these, it's like a dark brown strap, so I've got like sort of all the classics now, which is fab. And their packaging's all new and fresh. I think I have a discount code, so I'll pop that on the screen as well, in case anyone was interested in getting it as a gift, because I feel like it's packaged so nicely that it could be a gift. Do you know what I mean? Oh, just pulling away.
Wow.
Yeah, I think that's a cute little gift, isn't it? Cute little gift.
Looks really expensive, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. I like it. It's like a really like different packaging.
We just took some little photos of our pancakes for Pancake Day to go on Insta. This is like the final monster pancake. Little stack, but we're going to put, they've kind of gone a bit cold, so we're basically going to heat them back up. We don't know if you can do that, but we're going to. And then I'm probably only going to have like one now, are you?
Yeah.
I'm actually quite full after just that half.
Yeah, me too.
So we'll probably just have one now and answer some more questions. Oh, and I've just got blueberry juice absolutely everywhere. Let's wipe it with the strawberry. Ew. Aw, the kitchen's such a mess.
Me and Carrie have just finished filming the pancake vid. This is the aftermath. Look how tragic it looks. Looks so messed up, but we made really yummy pancakes. They tasted delicious.
Really good.
And now I'm going to get ready because we're going to do the pub quiz. Woo, woo. Oh wow, I like your jumper. Where's that from?
Oh, thanks. I got it from a little like vintage place in London. It was only £20. I just thought I might as well pick it up.
Oh wow,
yeah,
really?
Yeah.
I think I have one similar, you know.
Oh really? Yeah, I thought you did. Because I was with Aidan, he was really annoyed because he got me one for Christmas. And I think they sent like 70 quid, it's only 20. Who were you with?
Oh, I was with Lewis when I got mine.
Oh right, yeah. Yeah, they must have been really annoyed about that. It sounds really weird now, doesn't it? It makes it weird by being with your boyfriend.
Why have we, why, yeah.
I was with Lewis.
Imagine, that would be so weird. I wouldn't like that.
Yeah.
Obviously I wouldn't like that.
Yeah, I mean...
Should we stop talking about this?
I thought we've gone quite
too far.
Quite quick.
Yeah, okay. Love you, bye. Currently mid-pub quiz.
Quite stressful.
Quite stressful. There's quite a lot of rounds. This one like literally takes 3 hours. It says 7 till 10. We've got the Pokemon picture round. A bit rusty on this. I used to be a massive I used to be a massive fan of Pokemon back in the day because I used to be very like, I don't know, I just used to like a lot of boy related things. I'm not saying like boy things and girl things. I'm just saying like, yeah, things that I just used to be very tomboyish. So I used to love all this. Right, so we've just come back from the quiz. As always, we have not won, but we had a good time. Apart from Megan got hacked. Yeah, we've bought, fuck's sake, I actually hate us. We've bought Super Mario Galaxy 2, sorry, but Super Mario Galaxy is the best game ever. We realised as soon as we started replaying it at uni that it's actually so sick, especially for like when it came out. So we've become we've become obsessed, and we've just bought the second one. We didn't even know it existed, and Megan's just bid for it on eBay. Oh my god, my life.
Got fucking hacked.
Yeah, and then Meg got hacked and like there's money coming out of her account. We said this always happens to all of us, like just really bad shit happened whilst we were at uni. Right, I need to go back downstairs and clean up the mess and also hang my clothes out on the area. Right, so I've taken my makeup off now. I feel so much better. Just been downstairs with the girls for a little bit, but I think I'm gonna head to bed in a second. Had a really lovely time with Carrie earlier. The pancakes were absolutely delicious. You'll see the video on Pancake Day on my main channel, so make sure you subscribe to my main channel. I had a few questions like in my DMs and on my previous video about whether I'll be buying anything from Sophia and Cinzia's new collection. If you don't know, Sophia and Cinzia are like amazing YouTubers. Like I actually love them. Like I'm inspired by them, like their fashion and stuff. Like I just think they're lovely people. I've met them before. They're absolutely amazing in person as well. However, I won't be buying anything from their collaboration with Nikki Studios. If I was rich, I would definitely be purchasing. I was hoping and praying that the clothing would be a little less expensive, but I can't really afford it on my student budget. And I'm not being a bitch, like I'd love to support them and buy stuff from their clothing range, but it's just not really an affordable brand, to be honest. Like I was just not disappointed. Well, I guess I am disappointed, but I feel like that's quite mean. But I just didn't expect the prices to be so high, because like there's a top that I really wanted and it's £55 and I was expecting it to be like 30 maximum. Like I get the prices have to be like raised because it's not a fast fashion company, which is great, because obviously I don't really agree with fast fashion, but sometimes I have to buy from them companies because I'm a student and I can't really afford to spend like £55 on a t-shirt all the time, you know. I know it's not obviously a t-shirt, it's like good quality long sleeve top, but the price, do you know what I mean? I don't know, I was just quite frustrated with how high the prices are. I know they aren't the ones who put the price like that. I know everyone deserves to get paid for all the time and effort into the designing and manufacturing and all that stuff. Like I get that 100%, like I'm not saying that. I'm just gutted that I can't afford it myself, and I know a lot of people won't be able to, but I'm sure there'll be a lot of their audience trying to get hold of the pieces who are younger, like with money from their parents and stuff, and I just feel a little bit sad because I'd have much preferred them to come out with like a collection. Although I love Nikki Studios and their whole style and concept, like I love that they're not fast fashion and they like make collections and stuff, like, and then they go forever. I love that because it's like unique clothing pieces, but it's just a little bit expensive for my price range. So I'd have loved if like Sophia and Cinzia in the future like collabed with PLT or Misguided. I feel like that would be so fun, but right now I'm really gutted because I was waiting for this video that they uploaded, the Tran haul. Like I was so buzzing, and then I just found out that everything was super expensive, and like more than I was expecting. Like I was expecting a little bit more pricey than what I'd usually pay, and I was like willing to do that, but until it got a little bit silly with the prices, I just thought I can't justify that at the minute, because I have to be saving up for my Guatemala trip and saving up for things that I actually need in life, rather than something that like I don't already own, but something that's not really a necessary purchase. So yeah, hope that answers all your questions about the Sophia and Cinzia collection. I'm really gutted, but I feel like it would be silly if I purchased. So oh, bless him. I'm quite happy for him actually.
The market banter.
Yeah. Okay. Right, so it's the morning now. I've just had a 2-hour chemistry lecture, which I was trying to stay awake for, but it was actually quite good. I really liked the lecture we had today because it was a different one. But we've just been into town in the city square because we've had on our calendar for ages that donuts are coming here. So we've been buzzing about it. We literally were like, oh, we'll go straight after the lecture so they don't sell out. Like,
I really thought of like 11 so early.
Yeah, we're literally here at 11 and they've just sold out. It's 2 hours and they've sold out. They should have definitely brought more. Rude. I know. They would get so much more money if they'd have brought more. Do you know what I mean? Like, oh, really pissed off. Apparently there's been like a queue, to be honest. We're standing in a queue for like 20 minutes. What can we do to substitute that then? We're back now. Super gutted that donuts just ran out too quickly. Like, I can't believe they thought they were going to be there 9 till 5 and they sold out in 2 hours. So yeah, really gutted. Clearly they're extremely more popular than we thought. So we're going to have to get up super early next time they come. Apparently they're coming to Lincoln every month, in case anyone wonders. So hopefully we'll get hold of them next time. We even tried to get them in Nottingham, like, and they'd sold out there as well. So we've tried twice and been unsuccessful, so we were a bit gutted, but we went to Cafe Nero's instead. Had a nice little chat at Nero's and now we're back home. I just thought I'd end this vlog because we're not got any plans for the rest of the day. Thought I'd end this vlog just answering the last few questions that me and Carrie got in our pancake video. That pancake video will be out on the 5th of March, so in case anyone's wondering, it's on my main channel and we talk about lots of behind the scenes of creating content for Instagram, blogging and YouTube, like lots of questions that are unanswered, especially if you don't have a blog or YouTube or like business Instagram, like stuff that, I don't know, just a little bit different. So I hope you like that video that's coming up soon. But I just thought I'd answer the last couple of questions in my vlog because we didn't get to answer all of them in the video. So one of the questions I got was, what was the first brand you ever worked with? The first brand that I worked with on a gifting basis, so there are different types of collaborations. One is gifted, which I always hashtag on my Instagram because it's actually like illegal if I don't. So it means that the product has been gifted to me, they haven't asked me to talk about it, or I've not been paid, it's just literally the product that has been gifted to me. And then you obviously get paid collaborations, which you get paid, the brand usually has more of a say on what you do because you are getting paid for it. And then there's like affiliate links, so if I'm like, oh, do you want to buy this top, and then I put an affiliate link, but I don't really use them, to be honest. Like, I've never used affiliate links for like clothing or anything, I don't think. So yeah, I don't really do that collaboration because I'm not really sure properly how it works, to be honest. But yeah, the first brand I worked with was on a gifting basis. They sent me a watch. It was called, I think it's pronounced Jord, but it's spelled J-O-R-D, and it was a wooden watch. And this was like years ago. I think it was probably like 2015, 2016. Yeah, 2015 I think it was, and they emailed me and I had no idea like what was going on, because back then I didn't realise you could get like scent products and stuff like that. So I was like, oh, that's nice, like, but I thought it was all sketchy and dodgy because I didn't really knew this whole world existed. So yeah, it was really lovely, and then I started working with more companies over the years as I grew. So yeah, that was the first company I worked with. Are people at university supportive of your channel or not? So this is a YouTube related question. So all of my friends are super supportive. Like, obviously everyone jokes around every now and again, but like, it's a joke. Like, I know they're supportive. Everyone I know, from what I know, has been really supportive. Like, I sometimes get the odd comment from someone, like, via another person. Like, no one directly comes up to me and is like, your YouTube channel's shit, or no one has directly said anything to me, I don't think, unless it's a positive thing. But yeah, it's usually like through other people, which is quite sad really. Like, I'd rather someone message me and be like, if I've said something offensive or done something that they didn't like, I'd rather someone message me about it, you know. But I'm never unnecessarily nasty unless someone's like horrible to me, or someone's done something really offensive themselves. I don't know, I never know what I've done to like warrant people being nasty to me, but I don't know, I don't get it. So yeah, some people are all the people I know and that I actually engage with are very supportive. It's just the people that clearly don't like me that aren't, and then I get told for other people and stuff. So yeah, it's not at first it wasn't really too bad. Like first year I didn't really receive that much shit, but since second year it's been quite like I'm back at school again with people taking the piss. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I hope that answers the question. And then the last question kind of ties in with that. Do you receive a lot of hate online? Yeah, most of my hate comments come from people commenting on my videos or commenting on my Instagram photos. The worst one I probably got was when some guy was like calling me fat and ugly and saying that I try too hard on Instagram, but I just thought, what are you doing? Like, why are you spending your time doing that? It's quite embarrassing. So yeah, it affected me like instantly. I was like, oh, that's quite like horrible. And then I was like, wait, he's actually like gone through all my Instagram photos, because it was literally so far down on my feed, and gone out of his way to be nasty to me. And he was like a 21-year-old engineering student or something. So I was like, why is he doing that with his time? So yeah, I sort of laughed it off a little bit then, but the rest of my hate comments are mainly on my YouTube channel, or like they're quite like spiteful comments, even if they're not like hate. So yeah, I try not to take them too seriously, but sometimes it's a little bit hard. Like it's hard when people are like saying you're something that you're not, or they not everyone who watches my videos doesn't know my life fully or what I've gone through, so obviously I'm going to do things differently to other people. And yeah, I don't know, it's very hard putting yourself online, but I do try and like brush everything off as much as I can. So yeah, hope that's answered the rest of your questions that we didn't answer in that video. Make sure to go check that out. It will be up next week on Pancake Day. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching this vlog, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.